Hey gang, hope everybody's doing fantastic. It's sunny and 70 in Florida. Well, sunny and partly cloudy, I think, but it's still beautiful out. And we're back out at the landing at St. John's off of Greenbrier Road, Pulte community. We're at their model center checking out all their all their homes so we can video them. And we're gonna go take a look at the Sanibel. We just got done doing the Highgate. Now we're gonna do the Sanibel. And the Sanibel, pretty much the Mac Daddy. So let's go take a peek at it and you're gonna see a really, really cool home. All right, gang, the Sanibel, part of the Echelon series. 5 different elevations. This one looks like it might be the Farmhouse 3, I'm guessing. But look at this home before we get any closer. Beautiful, beautiful home. And there are so many options you can do with this home. So many structural options, design center options. It's amazing, okay? Look at that nice front porch here. I'm a huge fan of our front porch. 3-car garages you can see over here. Got the 2 over there. And the Sanibel, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 to 6.5 baths, 3-car garage, massive square feet at 43 to 5,100 square feet. Unbelievable. You haven't seen anything yet. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys coming along. When I see something that's impressive, I'll let you know, and this is impressive. They are doing, Pulte has, every time we see a new Pulte community around St. Johns County, you will see them recently stepping up their game. Things get better, bigger, bolder, and they give you lots more options like this beautiful wood floor that we're walking on right here, and that nice extravagant stairwell, almost like a Titanic sort of stairwell in a modern twist. But anyway, before we don't go down any more rabbit holes, we're going to take a left off the front door. See what we got behind this here first door. Woohoo! Look at all that storage. Amazing. Amazing. All right. We're going to come on into what I kind of call in the back hallway here, right? That's the entrance to the garage. That's the air handler closet. This is your powder bath, your half bath. So real convenient for guests or coming off your driveway. See all that trim work and everything? You can do that now through Pulte. All these craftsman style doors. Tall baseboards, that comes standard, I believe, in this Echelon series. Okay. Nice office space back here. All hidden away with a lot of 3060 windows. Man, just beautiful. Cove crown, amazing. And the back bedroom here has got a huge, for a secondary bedroom, pretty good sized closet. Okay, nice. Ensuite as well. You'll see that a few times throughout the home. Look at this. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Their design team and their land team, I was just talking to Asher, the site agent, they have done a really great job. This community is not going to be big. It's going to be as communities these days go, it's not going to be big. About 500 homes on this side and the remaining up to about 1,300 on the Del Webb side. Nice wide hallways here in the Sanibel. Let's go on out to this single car garage. If you didn't need it as a garage, this is a heck of a golf cart place. Storage, workshop, huge amount. Okay, beautiful. All right, these are 8-foot doors with what appear to be 11 or 12-foot ceilings. Probably 11 is what I'm guessing there. And then 12 into the tray, and when there's a tray. Just check out our website. Sharon's done a great job. Welcome Home St. John's. Welcome Home St. John's. Lots of great information, especially if you're relocating. A lot of educational stuff on there. Check. Obviously, you know about our YouTube channel because you're watching it. As we come into the main living area, and I'm not going to get into that yet, but I'm going to come over to the right, and this is going to be your 2-car garage. Okay. Again, excellent size. You can option it up. Depending on the lot and the home itself, they have an option for a 4-foot extension on some of the garages. Again, an 8-foot door, which is great. It's taller. A normal door is 7 feet. This could be big for some of your bigger vehicles, like your big trucks. Now, I'm going to go find out. They got twin panels in here. I would assume that's 300, twin 150s. I will verify that and put it in the video. Okay, whole house water shutoffs and stuff. So, pretty cool. I will verify that. How much power is coming into this house. And it might be because it's the model, but this is an awful big home. I don't know that, I would think they would want 300 amps coming into this house. Anyway, nice owner's entry space right here. You can do lots of cool things. Again, after close or with Pulte. Okay. Nice laundry space, and it's very much in the community areas, I'll call it. It's all been optioned up with cabinets. Coming into the master space, of course, our toilet space, and then our, let me open this door up so you can see it because it's dark in there. Yeah, look at that big old square shower with lots of light, lots of doors. I mean, a door, big glass door and a big glass window. And you could probably option this up with a second head or whatever you might want to do. Little soaker tub. And then separate vanities. And this one's got the big section, so somebody will get that. And you can also, with Pulte now, all these cabinets that are in here, in the closets, you can do that, okay? That is all doable with Pulte. So they have really gone that semi-custom route. That's not what we were seeing from Pulte in the past. Look at these ceilings, look at this. Oh my God, this faux beams, beautiful. And the sitting area out there. I wonder if that's an extension. Here, let me just check something out. Yeah, that's an optional retreat. Okay, so normally the wall would stop here, but they've optioned it up with this retreat. But man, why wouldn't you, right? Look at that. And all this stuff, the patio stuff you can do out there. Amazing. And I really like it if you turn around. Once I come out of the little vestibule, one thing that kind of bugs me sometimes is a door to a master that's right off the living room. Well, that sets back. You don't even know that room is there, especially if you shut the door. So it sets back about 4 feet. All right, here we go. Let's give you a little quick peek at the outside before we go out there. All right, let's head into this massive, absolutely massive, entertaining main area. Transom windows, big, those 3 window slider doors on the right. Man, it's amazing. You put this on the right lot, screen it all in, having all your cookouts, swimming pool. They trimmed out all of the windows with wood. Holy moly, all high-end appliances, your Wolves, your Sub-Zeros. This is a cooker's kitchen right here. All these are cabinets too on the outside. They've tuned up the extra island. This is a true island. I like that color. It's a pretty green. Pot filler, ceramic apron. Farm sink, oh my gosh, amazing. Yeah, for those of you who like to cook, they can help you out. Massive commercial style vent going, of course, to the outside, glassed uppers. Let me let you guys look at that. Amazing. Amazing. This pantry's been decked out. You know, along with where I'm standing at now, the kind of the back kitchen, kind of the butler space, I'll call it, prep area. What they've done too is they've taken a thin version, I think, yeah, a thin version of this countertop, the quartz, and made it the backsplash. Indestructible, no grout lines to clean. Oh my gosh, really crazy. This is just phenomenal. You can look at that second story view, and we're getting ready to go up there in just a moment. So don't go away, folks. This is such an amazing home. Give us a reach out. Check our Google reviews. I'll leave a link down below. We love helping folks, educating. We work hand in hand with you guys from start to finish and well beyond. We will help you design or pick out the most beautiful home on the right lot for you. Because there's a lot that goes into that, like lots. What direction does the lot face? How much sun do you want? When do you want the sun? Oh my gosh, there's a lot to think about, right? What windows are in the home and how's it gonna, see the sun and all that stuff. So anyway, we kind of look out for all that stuff for you guys. All right, enough of that. Let's see what we got up here. A little view from up here. All right, nothing exciting there. All right, but look at this. This is amazing. I'm not sure. It's residential, and it's residential in a big way. It has a lot of spaces. So they've got it set up as a little sitting area here for maybe watching some TV. You got a nice little intimate reading space, gathering, listening to some music where they got the record player. Crazy. And Your entry space. Wow, I can stay up here all day. All right, of course, we got floor receptacles. That's per code. You have to have some floor receptacles because you're on a wall, and they consider this kind of a wall. You have to have receptacles. All right, come on over here. We got what probably is a linen. It is, linen closet. Secondary bathroom up here with 2 sinks. Okay, I love the color of those cabinets. Again, didn't get crazy here. Just pretty much kind of maybe a little upgraded tile, but nothing crazy. They didn't take it to the ceiling, didn't convert it to a shower, just used the acrylic tub, okay? Again, secondary bathrooms, you don't have to spend a ton of money in them. What we got here? Is this another linen closet? And it is. Plenty of towel storage. This is kind of a cool for a kid's room. It's got a little alcove over there. Little reading niche, little nook. And for a secondary bedroom, a very generous walk-in closet. Yeah, see there's the footprint of it right there. So, wow. Pretty crazy. This is a serious family home. I know this video is going long, so hang in there because I want to show you the backyard and all. Give me a thumbs up or a like or subscribe or something if you won't mind. That'd be cool. And this is where your air handlers are. They're using Trains. I mean Lennoxes. They're both up top. I'm pretty sure they're Lennox, right? Yeah, they're using Lennox, which is their high end. There's 2 air handlers in that closet. All right, coming into here, we also have another ensuite. So many, many ways of having folks spend the time with you. Different family members for different parts of their lives they need. Maybe you got a college student, needs their own space. Visiting family members, grandma, grandpa, you know, things like that. Husband and wife with a new baby. But anyway, lots of options. That's my whole point. Lots and lots of options. Oh my gosh, crazy. All right, let's go downstairs and take a look at that backyard. All right, gang, let's go outside. Oh, these are pocket sliders. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Sorry about the bobbing around, but these are pocket sliders. These little fellas will go all the way over into there. Look at that. You can bring the outside in and the inside out. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, I go back to, this has been extended out here. This is an extension, but look what they've done. All of which you can do with Pulte. This is beautiful. A lot it's on. Such an entertaining space. Oh my gosh. Come over here, they got a full outdoor kitchen with gas, water, and power. Pretty amazing. All right, gang. Holy moly. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Sanibel here at by Pulte at the landings of St. John's. Holy cow. This is up off Greenbrier Road. Amazing home. And the stuff that you can do with Pulte now is just over the top. It's very semi-custom, almost teetering on that custom type of world of home building. But anyway, if we can get you any other information, take you on a personal tour, get you all set up. We'd love to learn more about you and your process and your journey and what you're trying to accomplish and how we can help you. So until the next time, I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.